Before we start, copy the update.rpf in your update folder and paste it in your mod update folder. And a quick reminder, if you're modding etc., make sure you copy the required files and put it in your mod folder so it doesn't break your game.
I shoot my shot like Michael, Jordan to the top and I go, winning on like a maestro.
And I forgot to mention that you must also add x64 and packs inside your mod folder. And if you're gonna add cars in your game, make sure to put it inside packs folder.
Jordan to the top and I go. To be the best, need to learn some lessons. To be the best,
now to add a car you need these files. I'll put the link in comment 10. Copy and paste it in your Grand Theft Auto 5 directory.
You gotta play every single day, like it's your last, you ain't here to stay. Yeah, life ain't promised, it can always change, but you're here today. I shoot my shot like Mike.
And then to make this mod load in your game, you need this .dclist.xml. To find this file, open your Open for in your Winlator.
Never gonna stop, no, I won't.
Follow the directory path. Update.rpf, common data.
Jordan to the top and I go. Those who stay humble, they become the legends. They let their work talk, it's never questioned. Don't put their time and energy to flexing. They watch and learn, everything's a lesson. They be looking for a title. Ain't no runner-up, gotta win it all like Michael.
And look for dclist.xml. And extract it in your download folder. And click open. And after that, go back to Zarchiver.
Never gonna stop, no, I won't. I know I make it look easy.
And here, copy the car folder in your mod update x64 DLCP CKS folder.
Jordan to the top and I go.
And copy the text inside installation text in your mod file. And then go back to the dclist.xml we just extracted earlier, and open it, and paste the following text you copied earlier at the very bottom.
Where did you go when I was alone, just looking for hope? Yeah, I worked on myself
and save it.
Without you, I spread my wings.
Now go back to your open work.
But where did you go?
Turn on edit
when I
mode.
was down and I needed you most, yeah. It was long days and long nights, battling with demons.
Click yes.
Tired from the fights, yeah. I was struggling to make ends meet. Thought I had you on my team. Now the
go to mod update.rpf, common data.
I was trying to win for us, but you had a different mission. Just listen, I fought hard every day. You gave away someone who would follow you into the grave. Where did you go when I was down and I needed you most, yeah? Where did you go when I was alone, just looking for hope, yeah? I worked on myself, learned a few lessons. Without you, I
and look for the dclist.xml. Click on it and click replace. Look for the dclist.xml you extracted. Click on it and press open.
If you make sure not to let it in, a different purpose, I'm a different person. I've been working on
and that's it. Now let's see if the mod works. Press F8.
Goddamn, I've been feeling real blessed to be alive, to be in this life. I got a new chance.
And vehicle model.
And
type the car spawn name.
I'll live life, I'll be wrong, I'll be right. I'll work hard, see new sights. I'll look deep, yeah, inside, and I'll never look back with any regret. I always tried, always did my best.
Enjoy.
Pass or fail, at least I took the test. Now I'm just ready for what's next. Let's go! you go when I was down and I needed you most, yeah? Where did you go when I was alone, just looking for hope, yeah? I worked on myself, learned a few lessons. Without you, I spread my wings to the heavens. But where did you go when I was down and I needed you most, yeah?
Like, comment, and subscribe for more contents like this. Thanks for watching.